Hello everybody, I'm Storm here. Welcome back to Factorio. In the last episode, we worked on the actual fermentation process for our fermentation base, turning it into ethanol, then processing that ethanol into ethylene, and then processing the ethylene into propionic acid. And so that is one of the ingredients that we need for our ultimate plastic process here. Our propionic acid. And so next we need to make the acetic acid, which is going to be just a pretty much straightforward process. And then we turn the acetic acid, propionic acid, and cellulose fiber into liquid plastic, and then turn the liquid plastic into plastic bars. And then we're good to go. So, let's get to it. Off screen, I did make sure that I filled the belts up with catalyst carriers, and so they are filled up with catalyst carriers. There's probably too many catalyst carriers, but it should be okay. So, let's get to work on the next thing. So, to make our acetic acid is going to be 8 liquefier 4s. I'm making compost 330 per second. Okay, this will be a very straightforward process, I think. What we're going to do is we're actually just going to line it up here. I think there. That'll work. Oh, and we can just do solid pipes because there's just one input, one output. Put a second tank. What we're gonna need. And the compost. And while we wait for that to arrive, ooh. Actually, no, we don't want to do that. And then we hook it up into there, which is the other compost belt. And that will work. Now we just need to route a pipe for the fermentation base. Which this is a pipe I set up for that. Actually, can I bring this through? Here, yes. All right, there we are ready. So you will be making acetic acid. All right, now chemical plant 4. We need to figure out how we're going to be building the this needs 2. Do some maths here. We have 132 per second that we need to supply, and we can do 30 per second per belt. So we need 5 belts minimum. Well, if we have what? We have 4 warehouses. Now, if I scale this to 45 per second, we could do it in 4 belts. So, we are going to need blue belts when this is all done. Okay. Actually, what I could really use is 6 belts. And we could do 18. 6 runs of 3. Yeah, that could work. So we'll need a way to balance 4 to 6 belts. That's going to be easily done through a warehouse. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. And so we'll do this here. Oh, the rest have been installed. There we are. Yeah, let's do it this way. One, two, three. Liquid plastic is coming out. Right, and the cellulose fiber is coming in. Actually, let me build that in myself. Okay, so you're making liquid plastic from acetic acid and propionic acid. Yes, that will work. So we're going to need 6 of these to go up to 18. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, now, which is which? I think this is the propionic acid, and this is the acetic acid. Okay. Set up the distribution manifold. Alright, that should work. And then... the acetic acid. And yep, that's coming in as expected. Oh. All right, now we just gotta feed it. Cellulose fiber. That's gonna have to give a little bit more room. All right. We connect all the output pipes. To a tank. And these are being fed cellulose fiber fast enough? They are being. Okay, good. All right. And then we just need to take this liquid plastic and turn the plastic bars with 5 assembly machines. One, two, three, Actually, let's do it like that. Oh, one too many. And you make plastic bars from liquid plastic. All right. And then... oh, bring our plastic bars into the loading area, and that will complete the facility. Done. All right. Now, what we need to do is we need to get this plastic down to the existing facility. A couple ways we could do that. We could bring a train. So what we could do is we could convert the existing natural gas loading area over to a plastic loading area. And then route some plastic over. Yeah, that's probably what we'll do. I think that seems to be the easiest option. All right, well, we're going to need a train first off. So that it can start loading. That should create more than 30 per second. Oh wait, that is 6, not 5. I misread. Well, that's easily corrected. Alright, so let's grab my plane and fly over there. Grab my deliveries on the way. So what we'll have to do is we'll have to disable the existing trains. I overshot. Alright, so all of this gets removed. All that gets removed. Alright, I want you to head over here. Because we're going to be using the silo method here. Oh. Come back. Please. You. Okay. So this train can now be decommissioned. Nope, nope, did not want to do that. This actually has some natural gas on board, but, you know, we're not going to worry about that. Not enough to matter. And we're moving away from natural gas anyway, because it is a limited resource. All right. You are... And we will send all of those into storage. Alright, so this is now going to be mine beta plastic unloading. And so you are at Plastic Alpha, plastic loading full cargo. Then take it to mine beta. Plastic unloading empty cargo. Then refuel. Alright, just bring what you got. And then hook it into there. And there we are. And that gets our electronics manufacturing as it exists back up and running. And we're going to need to start designing a new electronics manufacturing facility, but I think we're going to have to grab some more land for that project, because we're kind of bursting at the seams here. We have some room in certain areas, but I'm thinking about using some of that for some other things. So, what I'm thinking is we're going to have to clear out some nests and probably push the boundaries of our facilities, probably past this little area here, so about here. Then we'll have to get a perimeter wall installed and defenses installed. And then we can start utilizing this whole area here. Get a electronics facility put in. We're going to need to get a big logistics facility put in. But yeah, that is the next plan. You could also go down here. There's less stuff that we would impact over here. Right, there's a stereotype ore facility. There's a sapphire ore area here. But over here we got titanium, we got coal, we got ammonium, givelite. Yeah, maybe down here would actually be the better option. Push down to here. And maybe up to that coal deposit. Or maybe just before this givelite ore. Yeah, I think so. There's less stuff down here we'd have to worry about, too. Okay, yeah, I think that might be the plan, actually. And so we will get to work on that for next episode. But for now, we'll stop here. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Go ahead, like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you next time.